Hey, this is Mike, and we're just back with a quick video on Game Creator 2. And currently, it is on sale in the asset store, and there's an announcement from November 21st that you should be aware of as well. So, the update is they're currently working on the Traversal 2 module, which is going to be the final stroke that completes the circle for Game Creator 2's ecosystem. So they're going to make some changes. On January 10th, they will be removing Game Creator 1 from the asset store, so it's going to be deprecated, and then only Game Creator 2 will be available for purchase. And they'll be increasing the price of Game Creator 2 starting January 10th. So this adjustment reflects the ongoing development costs. They have to increase the price. So they will be doing this after the Black Friday and New Year's sale. So now is the absolute best time to get the modules at the lowest price point before the increase. So when you go into, if you're using Game Creator 2, you're going to see this right now. The New Year's sale is on right now, 50% off before pricing increased on January 10th. So you can just click on that and it will go to the Catsoft asset store page. So everything is currently 50% off right now, except Shooter 2, it's not. But you've got Game Creator 2, Melee 2, Behavior 2, Inventory, Perception, Stats, Dialogue, and Quests, all on sale for 50% off right now. So if I was looking at getting Game Creator 2, this is the time to get it. It's not going to be any cheaper than it is now because the price is going up in a couple of weeks. That's it for this video, and we'll be back with another Game Creator 2 related tutorial. And thanks for watching.